Okay, so this is the 69 CT90 that I'm working on. This is a brief update on what I was able to accomplish right now. Rear wheel is off. The hub was cracked right there. So got a new hub coming in. New spokes front and rear will be laced up. The wheel's in surprisingly amazing shape. The hoop is. It is original. Cush washer or cush dampers in the rear hub are bad too, so those will get replaced. The chain and sprocket will get replaced, brakes, all that jazz. I did get the carb rebuilt, but the you can see some wetness here. The filler and fuel inlets are loose and leaking. You notice it is the wrong direction. They are loose and leaking. I ordered a replacement carburetor, and I'm going to try to use some lead solder to see if I can get those to reseal. The coil is bad. I need a new coil. It's obviously behind here. Points are set and they're working properly. I did order a spare set of points just to have them in stock. I do have new cables coming. New tires. This tire is new, but it's almost 10 years old now, so it'll get replaced regardless. New fork springs and seals are coming. New rear shocks are coming. Headlight bucket. It'll have to get painted, but I got headlight bucket coming. And so I'll be gone for a couple weeks. And then I'll be able to really make a big dent in the work that's getting done on it. Hopefully by then I'll have the new headlight bucket will be here. That'll be installed, and just gonna have a couple nights out in the old barn here, putting it together and getting it to run. This is the rotted out original exhaust. I don't know if you'll be able to see there where it's all gonzo, but I do have the new one. I'm gonna have this lower heat shield. On the new one, there's not a mounting point for it, so I'm gonna take and weld a couple nuts on there to mount the heat shield. I do have a new battery. I gotta clean up that area a little bit there where the battery goes. It's a little buggered. It'd be nice to just get it clean, so maybe prevent a little more rust, and then go from there. I'm sure there's a lot that I'm missing yet. I do know I need the new rubber for the air filter. Oh, that's cracked. I need an air filter, and another 2 weeks, I'll be back and hopefully make some serious progress, and we'll have a run and ride in CT90. Thanks for listening to me, and we'll see ya.